Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, it's good to have you here. So today's video is not a makeup tutorial. I attempted to do jumbo box braids on my very short natural hair, and I thought I'll show you guys. So if you want to see that, definitely keep on watching. So the first thing that I do is put some leave-in conditioner in my hair. I'm starting with freshly washed hair. I'm putting in some leave-in conditioner into my hair, and then I'm massaging it into my hair. I said my hair 3 times in one sentence. Okay, next I'm going to be combing through my hair to make sure that the product is evenly distributed, and then I'll blow dry my hair a little bit to like stretch it out. So at this point I attempted to part my hair, like I wanted like perfect box parting, but then I realized that the pattern, it's not everybody that can do it. So I just did what I could do, and then I sectioned my hair into 4 parts, and then each of the 4 parts I sectioned it into 6 parts. So that's what I did. So in total I have about 24 braids because I sectioned each quarter of my hair into 6. So for each of the parts I twisted the hair around a little bit and then held it down with an elastic band, a small black elastic band, and then I did that for all of the sections on my hair. So I'm just going to repeat the same steps on all the 6 sections on this 1/4 of my hair. I started doing my braids around 9 in the evening, and I wasn't sure I was going to be able to stay awake to do everything, so I did 1/4 of my hair first, just in case I started to feel sleepy and then I needed to sleep, and then I had to like blow dry the hair again. So I just repeat the steps, repeat, and let me go and finish up that. I'll be back. Since I wasn't exactly sure what I was doing, I decided to do one braid off camera and come and show you guys if it worked. So this is how much hair I'm using. I'm going to be dividing it into 3. It doesn't matter if the parts are not equal. I'm going to be dividing it into 3, and then I'll twist one piece around and around my finger, and then insert a crochet pin underneath the black elastic band that I have in my hair, attach the hair piece securely to it, and then pull it through. So once it goes through, I'm going to be pulling one side of the hair all the way through, so that like the hair piece is kind of straddling the my actual hair. So that's what I'm going to be doing, and then I'll repeat the same step for the 2 remaining pieces of hair. The most difficult part about doing my hair like this is I didn't use pre-stretched hair, so I had to like stretch the hair myself, and it was so messy. Like, apart from the fact that I wasted almost 1.5 pack of hair, like it was just so messy and so tiring, and it was unnecessary. So like next time I do my hair, I would probably find pre-stretched hair or use like crochet hair or something, because this one was just too stressful. I would not recommend. So I'm repeating the same steps for the remaining 2 pieces, and you guys can see that I'm struggling because I don't know what I am doing. Like, I really did not know what I was doing at this point, but I've learned a few lessons. So the next time I do my hair, I'm sure it won't be this messy, it won't be this stressful, it won't be this tiring. So I'm just going to repeat actually stayed up all night to do my hair. I don't know who was chasing me, what the reason for that was, but like once I started, I just couldn't stop. Like I just kept going till it was like 8 a.m. and I'm like, you didn't sleep, why didn't you sleep? Anyway, so yeah, I really like the fact that I can now do my braids by myself. It wasn't as difficult as I thought it would be. Yeah, I have about 24 braids on my hair because I parted my hair into 4, and then each of the 4 sections I parted into 6. So I have about 24 braids on my hair. I used 4 packs of Ultra. So what I did was I cut like the length into 2, and then for each of the 2 pieces I divided into 3, and that's what I used to braid each braid. Yeah, so I trimmed the hair to make it look a little more presentable, and then I put it in hot water and then styled off camera. So basically that's all I did to achieve these jumbo braids. And yeah, this is the finished look, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, let me know what you like about this look, and yeah, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Yeah, so this is the end of the video, guys. I love you, and I'll see you in my next one.